Hi, I'm Mark with Absolute Pool and Spa Care. Today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how we close a pool. In no means is this meant to be a tutorial for do-it-yourselfers. This is simply for our customers to know what it is that we do during a pool closing. If you have more questions, you can call us at 770-886-7870 or visit our website at www.absolutepoolandspa.com. Thank you. Prior to arrival, make sure you have your pool cleaned and balanced. Having it cleaned will save you money and prevent stains over the winter. If there is debris in the pool, we will clean it. Up to 15 minutes of cleaning is included at no charge. Any cleaning after that is $18.75 per 15 minutes for a total of $75 per hour. Having your pool balanced prior to arrival will assure that you will have no additional chemical charges. Any chemicals that are added to balance your water is not included in the standard closing chemicals. This will be to ensure your pool is in the best possible condition upon opening. Spending a few dollars now to balance your pool will save you the money you will have to pour into it in the spring to open it. If you choose not to allow us to balance your pool, a waiver must be signed stating that Absolute Pool and Spa Care informed you of the staining and water issue problems that will occur from an improperly balanced pool. As you can see here, this pool has been properly cleaned. We will check the chemicals a little bit later. There are many variables that can affect how the pool looks upon opening. Temperature over the off-season, proper water balance upon closing, length of time the pool has been closed, and proper closing techniques. We recommend a midwinter checkup to see how the water chemistry is doing. Schedule this for January or February at the time of closing. We will blow off your deck to start. As you can see, the other technician is doing some touch-up cleaning. Once again, 15 minutes of cleaning is included in the closing. Additional cleaning will be at the rate of $18.75 per 15 minutes for a total of $75 per hour. Whenever hiring a pool company, confirm they are a member of the Association of Pool and Spa Professionals and a certified pool operator. This assumes that the company is committed to the pool and spa industry. It is comforting to you knowing the company you are hiring has all the resources necessary to handle all the problems that can arise at your pool. By being a member, training and seminars are attended annually to assure we are kept up to date on advances within the industry, continued education on all aspects of the pool industry, and reminded of even the simplest of repairs and water chemistry that makes us one of the elite in the industry. Absolute Pool and Spa Care attends over 50 seminars each year and range from repairs to water chemistry to how to satisfy customers. We will clean all the skimmer baskets and store them. Gizmos are necessary devices that go in the skimmer. Gizmos absorb the compression from freezing water and protect your skimmers. Gizmos keep us from draining your pool 12 inches. Adding water costs more than the gizmos. Make sure that the gizmos have a blowout plug. This allows us to add antifreeze in a plumbing line that is completely clear of water. If you do not have a gizmo with a blowout plug, we will install one. Once again, this type of gizmo is cheaper than the cost of water that will need to be added without one. Winterizing plugs are added to all returns. There are two different types of plugs. Threaded plugs are installed in liner pools. They have an O-ring that prevents water from getting into the plumbing lines. It replaces the eyeballs that you see here. Rubber plugs are installed in concrete pools. Their responsibility is the same as the threaded plugs. Safety covers look like trampolines. They have anchors in the concrete that need to be maintained every 2 years. Dirt and debris gets inside that prevents the anchors from being removed or set back in place. Allowing us to spray a special lubricant every couple of years will prevent any stripping of the anchor, lodging of the anchor, and replacement of the anchor. As you can see here, due to the previous anchor not being maintained, a new anchor had to be installed. Remember, preventative maintenance is cheaper than corrective repairs. Next, we will remove plugs from all the equipment. All equipment has plugs: the pumps, filters, heaters, and chlorinators. You can see one of our master technicians removing the plugs.
Force.
We will also disconnect all unions that are connected. This adds protection from freezing pipes. All pump baskets are cleaned and lids loosely closed. Now we are removing all ladders and handrails. We will store these in the proper places. Please let us know where you want all accessories placed. Next, we are going to blow out the lines. We use a special air pump and plugs to do this. You can see this black hose connected to a special plug that allows the air pump to connect. This will remove all water from the plumbing lines to prevent damage from freezing. Most companies will simply use a shop vac to blow out the lines. This will not remove all water from the lines. Our process adds insurance and security to the longevity of your pool and its equipment. As the main drain line is blown, once all water is eliminated, bubbles start flowing. At this point, we know the plumbing is free of water. Now that the main drain line is free of water, we will do the same to the skimmers and add the gizmos. On liner pools, we will add a skimmer plug that helps in the prevention of frozen pipes and skimmers. You can see the gizmo plug removed for antifreeze. The next step is to remove all water from the skimmers. Antifreeze is added. Water is checked and balanced. As expressed earlier, make sure your water is balanced before we arrive. Chlorine levels should be on the high side, between 3 to 5 parts per million. pH should be at 7.4 to 7.6, alkalinity at 80 to 120, calcium between 200 to 400, and conditioner between 30 to 50. Our closing chemicals consist of a case of liquid chlorine, a quart of algicide, and a quart of stain preventative. Additional chemicals will have additional charges. These charges are much cheaper than the cost that will be incurred to correct the issue in the spring. Next, we will blow out the return lines using the same special air pump and plugs as before. This will prevent the return lines from freezing. You can see air blowing out of the lines once all the air is removed. Now we will install the cover. The cover should be cleaned every spring at the time of opening. This will prevent any stains or molding. This pool has a safety cover. They also make solid covers that are held on by water bags. If the water bags have leaks or are missing, we will replace them. Water bags are a minimal charge. Well, there you have it. That's how we close a pool. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to call our office at 770-886-7870, or you can go to our website, which is www.absolutepoolandspaCare.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we look forward to serving you soon. Thank you.